Hello, my name is Elia Habib, mechanical engineer from Lebanon, expert in SolidWorks. Today we will continue the tutorial by doing part 8. First of all, let's open SolidWorks. Okay, we first click on part and check if the dimensions here are in millimeter. Right click normal. This is our drawing, the part 8. We have two circles here and the cut. Here are the same from both sides. You can do mirror. And here also we have two circles with a cut there. So let's start by drawing these two circles. We have here radius 30, then another circle with a radius 30 plus 10, radius 40. So we have two circles, radius 30 and radius 40 with the same center. Sketch, circle, two circles, smart dimension, radius 30, it means 60, diameter 60, and radius 40, it means diameter 80. Perfect. Now let's extrude it. Extrude by 50 millimeter plus 10, so it's 60 millimeter, but be careful, here we have the half circle, so let's trim it. Click midpoint line, horizontal, click on trim here. We have to trim it and trim this part here. Now let's click line, center line, just to make them all horizontal. Just click on this edge here. Perfect. Now all of them are fully defined. Now let's extrude them 60 millimeter, 50 plus 10, 60. Feature. We can extrude them here 60 millimeter. We type 60, enter. Okay. So let's save it here. So it's part 8. Now let's continue. Let's draw these two circles. We have height here of 100 millimeter. So first of all, we should choose a side there, right click, normal to, sketch, and then center line from the origin here, vertical, right click, normal to. We have distance from the center to the bottom is 100 millimeter. So I click on smart dimension here, 100. Then we have two circles from the center here. Two circles from the center of the 100 millimeter. We have the first circle with diameter 30 millimeter, the inner circle, and the outer circle is with diameter 30 plus 10 plus 10, so it's 50 millimeter. So let's draw the inner circle for first. It's 30 millimeter with diameter, and the second circle, it's 30 plus 10 plus 10, it's 50 millimeter. So here we have to cut it because it's a half circle. What to do? Right click normal to the sketch and then click on midpoint line and then horizontal line and then click on trim there and trim this line there to obtain. Okay, perfect, but it's not fully defined, it's underdefined. So let's make them horizontal by clicking center line here and here. Perfect. Now it's fully defined. We have extrude here 30 millimeter. Feature extrude 30 millimeter. Perfect. Let's click on save. So let's fill the sketch here by drawing this triangle. by extrude 10 millimeter. Normal to sketch. I click on a line like this, right-click select, and another line like this. These two lines are tangent. I click on this line, control this circle and tangent, and this line also control this circle and tangent. We can drag them. Same for here, tangent, and here also line, tangent. We can drag them to extend these two lines. Then fill the sketch by clicking here on this edge here and convert entities in order to fill the sketch to close it. And here also convert entities, and we can here also trim, but we should close the sketch there. You can click on the edge point here, horizontal. Another time here, horizontal, and then click on trim to close the sketch. You can trim also this line there. Also these two lines. And these two lines. So see, the sketch now is fully defined and closed. So now we can do the extrude. How to do the extrude? Extrude of 10 millimeter, feature extrude. We change the direction there and we choose here 10 millimeter. And click on yes, click on save. Perfect. Okay, let's draw these two circles with the fillet there. These two circles here from the both sides are mirror. Let's start by drawing the first one, and after finishing it, we can do the mirror to obtain the other one. So here we have, so here, first of all, we have a width of 10 millimeter. Let's create a plane, an upper plane that has a length of 10 millimeter from the bottom side here. First of all, right-click normal to. We click here on feature plane. Okay, we change flip offset there to change the direction, 10 millimeter. Perfect. So now we can drag it like this. Okay. Now, what to do? First of all, let's draw the sketch on this plane. Right-click normal to on this plane. Another time, you see it from above. Click on sketch. I draw two circles. The first circle has a diameter of 16 millimeter. Other circle has a diameter of 40 millimeter because radius 20. They have the same center. Okay, now we have a distance like we see here from the center of the two circles to the center out there, distance of 60 millimeter. So here, let's click on smart dimension on the center point of the circle, and on the center of the sketch here is 60 millimeter, and 60 millimeter from the mid point here, from the mid of the sketch. Do a center line to the center and then click horizontal. Perfect. Now it's fully defined. Now let's continue the sketch. Click normal to, another time normal to, click on line. Okay, now this line should be tangent here, and this line should be horizontal. Perfect. Because we have this line is tangent. Let's close the sketch here by doing a perpendicular line, then do the fillet in the sketch. The fillet, the radius of the fillet here is about 10 millimeter. Radius fillet is about 10 millimeter. And here, click on midpoint line, catch the edge out there, and extend it vertically. Then draw a circle with the radius 10, so with the diameter 20 millimeter. Circle contour this line tangent, and this circle also contour this line tangent. So instead of drawing this circle another time here, we can do mirror from the center line out there with his line here. So let's do mirror entities to mirror this circle and this line, mirror about this center line. Now let's trim the line that we don't need. This part there, part also, and here also, and there. Trim the center line. And trim also this center line and this center line out there. Okay, but now our sketch is underdefined. Let's see where it's underdefined. You have dimension there. It's not fixed, so we can click here. This line, control this circle tangent. Let's drag another time and see here that we have also this not horizontal. We can click also to this horizontal and click this circle. It's also a tangent. Let's drag it also another time to see where it's okay. So here should be to the edge there. And do the trim. And this line is also equal to this line. Perfect. So now it's fully defined. Let's do the extrude here of 10 millimeter. Feature extrude to the bottom 10 millimeter. Perfect. We can click on save, right click hide, and we can do the sketch here, convert in order to completely fill it. Fill the gap here. Feature extrude up to surface. Perfect. Now, in order to obtain the other side here of the part, we can do directly mirror from the mid plane there. This is our mid plane. Show, mirror, body mirror, and click there. And click on yes. We have obtained this body mirror. Hide the plane there for a better vision. Then click on save. The last thing to do is to draw the triangle here, as mentioned in the drawing. Mid extrude, mid plane of 10 millimeter. We have our right plane here, the center. Right click, show. Right click, normal to, then click on sketch line. From the edge here to the bottom, we will do here feature extrude 10 millimeter, not on one side, but on a mid plane. So it's 5 millimeter from the right side and 5 from the left side. Merge result. So here we remove merge in order to remove the error, hide it. So now it's not completely filled. We can do sketch, convert entities, extrude up to surface in order to fill the gap. So here it should remove merge result. And here also sketch, convert entities, feature extrude up to surface. So we should remove merge result. Then click on save. So this is our part 8. We have completed all the features. We can add the color here by clicking first on part 8. Then choosing the color we wish to choose. This color is great. Yes. Save. We can see if we missed anything by opening for the last time the drawing. Everything is drawn and rotated. Perfect. So this is our part 8. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial of SolidWorks part 8. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.